Hi guys, my name is Govind Chandak and I'm the business head of NSDM India. Are you a small business or a startup who is facing issues in surviving in the storm of coronavirus? If yes, we are all in the same situation and hence I have drafted some set of strategies which will really help you to survive in this difficult situation. So please stay tuned and watch this video till end. Avoid zero communication. Make sure that you are not losing the communication with your customer. Use the touchpoint channels like email, SMS, WhatsApp, or a normal telecall. Ask them how are they, how is their family doing, or you can send them regular updates like education materials or something because they are sitting now at home and they can consume the material that is being sent by you. This will help them or this will help your customer to have a brand recall when in future they will need your product or service. So please avoid zero communication and make sure that you are using the touch pointing channels. So guys, point number 2, please do not try to sell. In case of anything guys, your customer is not ready to buy anything which is apart from their essential items. So please do not try to push product or your service onto your customer. Rather, focus on building a new product which will add to your portfolio, or upscaling your team, or creating the content for your business, or networking, or improving your personal branding. This will rather help to generate some more revenue for your business in the near future. Point number 3, revenue churn is absolutely okay, but customer churn is not. Guys, I understand that because of this corona pandemic, our businesses has been shifted by 6 months and there is a huge hit in the revenues of the company. But please try to understand this. You should not lose your customer because the golden rule of business is 80-20 rule. That says that 80% of your business comes from 20% of your existing customers. So you can provide greater discounts, or you can provide, if you are using a free trial, then you can provide the free trial more than usual. But make sure that it is okay to lose the revenue, but not customer. So guys, the next point is about not looking desperate. We just talked about that the revenue churn is okay, but the customer churn is not. And in that case, if you are providing more discounts, so make sure that you are not looking desperate to sell your product or service. In that case, if this happens, then it will weaken your brand identity when all of this situation is over. Always understand guys, look at the picture from the 100th floor of the building, not from the 0th floor. I want to talk about that you should be adaptable to the changing techs and trends into your industry. You should rapidly shift, or rather go with the pace of the changing technologies into your industry. For example, you will see a lot of education institutes has shifted from traditional classroom training to the online learning mode. And hence, you should keep a close eye on what are the technological changes that is happening to your industry. And hence, you should adapt that changes to move forward, because when this situation will be over, a lot of things are going to change. The consumer habits, the behavioral changes, the psychology of the people of looking at your product and service. And in all of that cases, it might bring you more revenue into your company.